Hello. My name is Valencia Gardner, and I'm primarily starting out this page to help out aspiring models. I'm going to be giving different tips and tricks and stuff that I've personally used and personally experienced. I've been modeling for a while now, and I also do photography now, so I'm going to be giving advice from both ends of the spectrum, talking about a lot of different things, how to get prepared for a photo shoot, how do you work around either having no budget for the big glam team and all this magical stuff, or having just a little budget. How do you work around that? What's the best way to do it? Different tips on agencies, all types of stuff that I've personally went through trial and error with. So I hope everybody enjoys the future videos. If you have any specific topic you would like me to talk about in the videos, please email me, and the email that will either be below, above, to the left, to the right, sideways. axvalenciag@gmail.com. You can also follow my social media accounts. I have a lot of them, probably not going to mention in the video, but they will be located around the video somewhere. You'll see them. You'll know that they're there because they'll say my name. Okay? So, follow my social media accounts to keep up with the latest videos, and yeah. I hope everyone enjoys. I look forward to the comments, the emails, all the magical stuff that's going to get us from point A to point B, family. I look forward to it. And I hope this video segment helps a lot of different people begin their modeling careers. So I thank you for watching, and yeah, stay tuned.